Hi, this is Johan. I hope you all have a good time. It's Sunday morning now. I have just been waking up and now I made this video to send to you. I have a lot of feelings inside me, and I get so horny when I see all the kisses, as you can see down there, and when I see them I also feel very lonely too. I wish I had someone to kiss too. Someone to kiss and hug and holding hands. Some friend. What I ask for here is friendship. And I really appreciate if you who see this want to contact me. And yeah, it's a bit embarrassing to say all this, but yes, I wish all of you a great time. Bye.